Hello and welcome back, guys. So in our previous video we discussed about binomials and how binomials can be used to expand for things like, for example, a plus b power n, and how this could be expanded using binomials. So there is a generic formula for that first of all it would be n c 0 a power n b power 0 plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1, and now the b power increases and the a power decreases until it becomes ncn, which means that r is now equal to n, and then it would be a power 0 b power n. Okay, so that is how it is done, like the expansion. Okay, there should be a dot over here. Let me just write it. This dot. Okay, because there could be infinitely many terms over here depending on the n. Okay, so now that we have a general expansion formula in front of us, let's now discuss what a specific term can do. So for example, if we have this question that in this formula a plus b power n, we need to find the term with the b power 7, let's say. Okay, so for that we need to expand the entire thing to reach the term which has b power 7, a power, let's say, whatever 2, and then we have the coefficient, and then we will reduce the term. So that way we'll have to expand the entire thing, right? But there is a formula for that, and for that you will only have to expand as much as you need. Okay, so the formula developed is t power r plus 1, which means term number, and term number of r plus 1, because the first term it has b power 0, right? So t power r plus 1 is equal to ncr b power a power n minus r, a power n minus r, and b power r. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, let's now apply this. For example, if we have, okay, so now that we've seen the formula, let's put it into practice. Okay, so for example, this question that we have is a plus 4x power n, and we need to find the term in x power, let's say x power 7. Okay, so what do we do is that we write t r plus 1. We don't have r. Okay, so we write r as it is. Then we will have ncr, which is 9c r. Then we have a power n minus r, 9 minus r. Just a second. We'll have 9 minus r, a power 9 minus r, and 4x power r, and r is basically that we don't have, right? So 9cr, a power 9 minus r, 4x, which would be 4 power r, x power r, right? Because there is a bracket that the whole power would multiply, would be the power of individual, right, individual thing as well. Okay, so we need to find x power 7, right? So first of all we need to calculate r. So for that we will just compare these two, and that would be x power 7 is equal to, and now we'll see the x and r term over here, and that would be this one. There is no other term, right? There is no other term where the power is x, power is r, and the term is x. Okay, so that would be x power r. Okay, now we'll just compare. We can see that r could be equal to 7, r is equal to 7. Okay, now we have r. Okay, so we will write 9c7, a power 9 minus 7, 4 power 7, x power 7. Okay, and this is the term number. This is tr plus 1, right? So term 8th term, right? Because 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, so it would be the 8th term, and that is because the power starts from 0. So to get till 7, it has to go through 7 more terms, and this is the 8th term. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate 9c7. Okay, that is 36. A power 9 minus 7 is 2, and 4 power 7 is, let me just write it as it is, and then we have x power 7. So 4 power 7 4 power 7 multiplied by 36, and that would be 589824 a squared x power 7, and that is our answer. So that is it for binomials for specific term.